Okay, in this video, this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to tick compress the footprint charts inside of the NQ and GC OrderFlow Edge chart books. When you first load the chart book into your Sierra chart data folder and open them up, it's going to uncompress the ticks on the footprint charts and likely on the DOM. And you'll do the same thing for both of them. You'll come, let's get this over here so I can do some drawing. We'll come up here to the chart area and go to chart settings. And then let me just activate this again. And then this area where it says tick size right here, and it'll be defaulted back to 0.25 because that is the normal tick size on the NQ. We're going to come over here, and for this one, I usually have it tick compressed to 2-tick compression, so we'll just bump it up to 0.5 and then go ahead and click apply all, and that'll bring this one to the normal tick compression on this. For the DOMs and the Ringco ones, I have it tick compressed personally to 1.0. So in there, it would be the same thing. You come to here, instead of doing 0.5, you would just do 1.0. But you can play around with it and see what you like. Like I said, I personally like a 2-tick compression on this one and a 4-tick, so it would be a 1.0 on the Ringco ones and on the DOM itself. We'll go ahead and we'll just do the same thing on the GC one as well. Again, we're going to come to the chart area. You can also hit, I believe it's F5, to bring up the chart settings. And then same thing with this. The GC moves in 0.1 increments to where 10 of them makes a point. So like every 10 cents. So I like this also at a 2-tick compression. Go ahead, hit apply all, and that'll bring this one to the normal how it was set up. But again, you can play around with these, compress them however you like. I just find with these assets that move really, really quick, you get a little bit better of a picture, and it's not just all over the place printing crazy bars when you do compress the ticks on them. All right, hope that helps.